Let's take a look at this HOTOR insulated lunchbox. I got tired of just brown bagging my lunch, overstuffing things to fit in, only to have the bag tear, or the bottom giving out because something leaked, and not to mention not being able to keep anything at the temperature I desired. Well, if you're tired of brown bagging it also, you might want to consider this HOTOR insulated lunch bag. It's a very attractive bag, and it comes in a variety of colors for both men and women. It's a large capacity, so it has enough room for containers, drinks, snacks, ice packs, and without forcing everything in. And it's spacious enough without being too bulky. Now, the 4 storage areas are enough to keep everything arranged and easily accessible. 2 mesh storage pockets on the side, which are convenient for holding waters, and so they're easily accessible. There's also a front pouch, which I generally use for napkins and utensils and things of that nature. The main compartment is large enough to hold food containers, snacks, fruit, drinks, without overstuffing everything. As you can see, you can fit plenty for lunch. And the top mesh pocket is great for holding an ice pack or a heating pad. The 3 layers of insulation can keep food at your desired temperature for about 6 to 7 hours, depending on how well it's packed. And cleanup is a breeze. If anything spills, you just use a sponge and water and wipe it up. And the exterior is an Oxford cloth, which again is easy to clean with a sponge and some soapy water. And there are 2 carrying options. It has a convenient handle, or if you want to keep your hands free, a padded strap, which is easily removed. And if you're going on a, let's say, fishing trip or something, you just want some drinks, look how many you can actually fit in here. That's 7 waters, comfortably fit and easily kept cold and transported. There's no more brown bagging for me, and I hope this review was helpful, but for me, this bag is a definite gotta get.